Guys, I think we're stuck up here. Jesus Christ. No, babe. Jesus Christ. We're gonna get down. Hold this, I'm gonna jump off.
No, Daddy, no.
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, hold on me. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So on our way to Port Antonio, we stop at Mystic Mountains, Rainforest Bobsled, Jamaica, guys. So here, yeah. Okay, guys, so we're about to do the tour, bobsled.
Bobsled.
Yeah, so.
We're gonna be cool runnings in a minute.
Cool runnings. Yeah, Sky Explorer.
Wow, so pretty.
Oh, beautiful. Wow, look at those fish.
Wow, yeah. Fishy, fishy.
Jesus.
Hello, everybody. Hi.
Yeah. Mystic Mountain. Ooh. This is it.
After we're looking at 14, and then we're going up, the teachers do the same thing, we reach up at the top, you're going to do this first, focus on the right. Right? All that you're going to do at the end of the song, okay? Maximum person can chair is 4, so all 4 forces can go at 1 street, 4 by yourself, and sheet front as well. No, the maximum weight is 1,000.
Oh my God, no, this feels scary.
This is wicked.
No, this feels scary, guys. But Jesus.
Your flip flops on, baby.
Yep.
Wagwan, everybody.
All the way up in the sky.
All the way up in the sky.
Oh my God, no.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, this doesn't feel right. No.
Daddy.
This does not feel right. Oh my God. Oh my God.
So we're just chilling.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. This is crazy. Why the hell do I have like white eyelashes, like eyebrows?
Oh my God, that's crazy.
We are enjoying our final little trips around Ochi and Singing.
Whoa, look over there.
Wow, this is amazing.
Look at the view.
This is beautiful, guys. Yeah, and I'm scared to drop my phone, so I'm gonna cut it out.
Yeah, if I ever drop this, I probably won't find it back.
Yeah, we will never.
Yeah. Crazy.
Yay! So this is what's up.
Woo-hoo.
So pretty.
Oh my God. No, seriously, I don't like that feeling either.
Really?
This too high for me, Rasta.
This little baby.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God, no. This is not right. This isn't right. Oh my God, we're going all the way up there.
Oh, the camera takes photos of you, I think that's what they said.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh Lord, this is crazy.
Yo!
Right down here, baby.
Jesus Christ. I'm scared to look down. The view up here is epic.
Absolutely.
Yep.
I just gotta get a bank.
Jesus Christ, why is this thing shaking? No, I don't like this now. It a shake. No, I want to come down. No, I don't like that feeling now. Yo, I'm gonna strap up, I just put my leg up. I like a bar. Jesus Christ. You gonna take a picture? I feel nervous.
Hi, people.
Crazy. It's nice though. I'm feeling kind of relaxed, you know?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Relax. Like we needed this after a long drive.
Flip flops. Flippity flippity flops.
Oh, look at my knee.
I think we're stuck. It stopped, babe. Babe, I think we're stuck. It stopped. Guys, I think we're stuck up here. Jesus Christ. No, babe. It's not moving. No, I think we're stuck, guys. Jesus Christ. How are we gonna get down? Holy, so I'm gonna jump off.
No, Daddy, no. Jump down.
Oh,
We're moving.
thank God we're moving. Thank God we're moving.
Hey guys, guess what? Engagement ring.
No, this don't feel right. Baby, if I vomit.
You're gonna vomit fruit.
Jesus. Oh my God, watch that, watch that. Why this thing shaking, babe? Babe, why this thing shaking?
Me no, papi, me no.
There's someone freaking out. Oh, there's some people freaking out. Can't wait to try the bobsled.
Yeah, no, that's gonna freak me out though.
Oh
like
my
I was
God.
a bit scared about that.
I think this one freaked me out because the height. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
What's the next tower?
Must be that one up there.
That one up there. Should I wear glasses for it?
I don't know. I want to show my scary self. So we're coming to the end of our destination. Okay. Yeah. Alright guys, so
Separate cards.
Oh no, can we go together?
outside.
And then I sit there. Alright.
Okay. See.
Look, these are your country. They're gonna push you to go and back this slow. Forward all the way to get to the end. So go right there, you slow down. Alright? It's pretty easy. Okay. Go ahead.
Good?
Yeah.
Give me that. Let it go, baby. Let it go. Yeah, let it go. Yeah, I think so. Up, slow down.
Huh?
Down is to go.
Yeah. It's not good.
Or maybe he's going to give us a push. Oh, here we go. Ooh, Daddy. Yeah, am I hurting your balls?
No, it's not good. Whoa, look at that. That's crazy. Ooh, swimming stuff. Swimming that.
Oh, you can swim in that.
That looks crazy scary.
Oh, you didn't
Oh,
know.
so you can come down in that
Yeah,
water.
you pay for that. I think you pay like extra for that. Woohoo!
It's crazy.
Oh, yeah. Keep going. Let it go. Let it have a bit of fun.
Yeah.
Oh!
Turn it that way around. Both of us.
Oh my gosh, baby.
Oh my God.
Holy crap.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. You just put it on me. Put it on yourself.
No.
Baby, give it to me. Give it to me. Let me go.
This is scary. No.
It's alright. Go.
We might fall. Babe.
Slow down, babe.
No. babe, slow down. Jesus Christ.
Oh, God.
This is crazy. Oh my God. What is this crazy? Guys, I'm never doing this again.
Not with me anyway.
I'm never doing this again ever.
Oh, Daddy.
Please keep hands and body inside. Oh my God. Babe, how safe is this thing?
I don't know. I'm freaking out.
No, this is scary. Yeah. Guys, I'm never doing this again ever. No, not.
I think you spat all over my
Not
hair.
in this life. Not in this life.
Oh, wow, baby.
Yeah.
We should do that.
Yeah.
Flying.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my God. No. I swear, guys, I'm never doing this again. Is this thing even safe?
Are you alright, babe?
Yeah. Is this thing even safe? Like, I literally feel like I had an heart attack there. The boy right there. Oh my God.
Oh, wow, you have to walk up there. Wow.
That's crazy.
Am I squashing you, Daddy?
No, I'm good. I'm just not ready for the next ride, babe. How safe is this thing, babe? This is scary,
It
babe.
would have to be safe. They'd have to test
No,
it.
babe, this is not safe. I don't care what they tell me, babe. This is not safe. This is not safe. Not safe. We see airplane crash. We see so many things fail in life. No, this is not safe. I'm not coming back on this, babe.
Really?
No, babe, I'm not coming back. Babe,
He's a scaredy cat.
Babe, I literally almost had an heart attack a while ago.
Did you?
Yes. Never again. This is not safe. Praise for sudden stop. Okay. Oh my God. We're back.
How was it? Good?
Great. Excellent.
Crazy.
Loved it.
Brother, no, you're fighting, brother.
Yeah, man. Oh.
Brother, you're fighting.
Let's go now. Hello.
Come back down, guys.
Yeah, that bobsled thing, guys, honestly, that was scary. Real scary for me, honestly.
You loved it.
Oh, never again. That was
wanted
scary.
to press the brakes. It's like,
Oh my
let
God,
it go. That's what it's all about. Fast and furious.
That, like, my heart was pumping. Yo! Wagwan! Yeah! Cool, man. Yeah! Love you. Hello!
Hello.
Oh, they taking a picture. When we hear those people screaming a while ago, like, I was like, that doesn't seem like nothing. I thought this was scary, but the one that we just did, the bobsled, that's scary. Yeah.
Use your feet, baby.
Yeah?
Feet up.
Yeah. Crazy. I'd rather this more than that bobsled thing. Hello. Where are you from? Ah,
Lovely.
cool.